I call my best friends my family.
I call my friends mates.
My best friends or my close friend, my mates.
Mate, I say angel to everyone.
Dear friends, that word holds a lot of power.
Welcome back to Feeling It. I'm Jazz, the internet's bestie. Today we're tackling healthy friendships. What are they and how do we know if we're in one? Humans are social creatures, which means we're hardwired to want friends. And our friendships come with loads of benefits. When our friendships are strong, they result in us feeling more confident and content. On the flip side, when our friendships are unhealthy, we can feel anxious, sad, or stressed, or all of the above. But what does a healthy relationship actually look like?
Healthy friendships have boundaries that's built on trust, support, a genuine love and care for one another.
I know that they're going to have time for me and they're going to be there for me whether I'm up or down.
Loyal, trustworthy, and low maintenance.
When I meet them, I come away feeling better. They think of me and I think of them. It's a mutual thing.
My friend and I always send each other a have a good day message.
Friendship involves you and someone who's willing to make memories with you.
People that don't put you down.
Here's the thing, not every friendship needs to be super close to be important. It's healthy to have a variety of friendships. Picture your friendships as a tree. Stay with me. The roots are your really strong friendships. They can go as deep as you like. You might even want to think of these as your foundations. But a trunk alone doesn't make a healthy tree. Trees need leaves to be healthy. And on your tree, the leaves are the people in your life who may be passing friends or acquaintances. These people are actually really important, even though they might come and go with the seasons. Another thing that keeps your friendships healthy and thriving is setting boundaries about which direction your friendship's growing. Both people in a friendship need to be comfortable with how a friendship plays out. If one person isn't, then maybe that's because a boundary has been crossed.
A boundary that my best friend and I have is that we don't peer pressure each other into doing things we don't want to do.
If someone says something way over the top, someone will call it out.
Making sure that the other person is aware of what not to say or what not to do because it makes you uncomfortable.
Sometimes our friends won't know they've crossed a boundary and we might need to tell them. These conversations can be really difficult, so here are some things you could say.
Boundary statement that I have with my friends is that if we are going to hang out, we need to schedule and make plans ahead of time.
When organising a hang, do we want this to be a group hang or do we want this to be a one-on-one hang?
Sorry, I can't talk right now, but I'll ring you on Sunday.
If your friend feels upset, that's totally normal. It can be hard to hear these things as well as say them. But you can let them know you're telling them this because you really care about your friendship. If your friend doesn't respect your boundaries, then perhaps it's time to branch out and grow a few new leaves. And when it comes to growing new leaves, or in this case, making new friends, it can feel tricky and sometimes it takes time. So go easy on yourself. Remember, trees don't grow overnight. My advice is to always be open, friendly, and curious with new people. Like trees, friendships need regular TLC. So make sure you're investing enough quality time and energy into the important people in your life. Happy gardening, you green thumbs, and see you next time. If you're having issues with friends, remember you can always speak to a trusted adult like a parent or teacher. If that's not an option for you, these are some places that can help.